Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to set up personal voice on iPhone iOS 17. Let's have a look. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or passcode. Then open Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Again, scroll down and tap Personal Voice. Tap Create a Personal Voice. Unlock with Face ID or passcode. Create Personal Voice. Using Personal Voice, you can record yourself. You can generate your personal voice. Also, you can communicate with live speech. Tap Continue. Get ready to record. Find a quiet place, speak normally, and take your time. Tap Continue. Create a voice. Give your voice a name, or you can choose default name. Tap Continue. Record the phrase shown below. iPhone will analyze sound quality when you are done. Tap Record button to start. Begin reading the phrases. I am creating a personal voice with my iPhone. The next one is the long one.
It is also called the Cathedral of Saint Mark. She first owned an electric in 1984. Both countries are members of the Union.
For the iPhone, to generate your personal voice, you need to say 150 phrases. This part takes between 25 to 30 minutes. Once completed, tap Continue. Prepare your personal voice. Charge and lock your iPhone. You will receive a notification when personal voice is ready. Tap OK. Once you have done all the phrases, the phone will begin generating your personal voice. This will be done in the background when your phone is locked and charging. It can take few days. Within 3 or 4 days, your personal voice will be ready. Now I would like to show you how to use your personal voice with iPhone iOS 17. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Then tap Live Speech. Turn on live speech. Now under Voices, tap English and select Personal Voice. Select your voice and close Settings app. Now open any website. Triple click the side button to open the live speech text to speech tool. Type or paste any word. Now tap Send. Now you can hear your voice. So these are the steps to set up and use personal voice on iPhone iOS 17. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.